Look at me, I'm
Hey you guys, we're out now. We're going to go and see some lightning. We're the only boat cruising. We're on quarter impulse power. That's what I like to call it anyway, because we're on our electric engine. It's chucking it down, literally. But we thought, what was that? Anyway, but we thought to ourselves, you only live once, or as James Bond used to say, you only live twice. So we're out now, going for a bit of a cruise. Look at him, he's got his back bit open. That'd be wet.
It's not going to be upright for much longer.
There was one on here once. It came one day and the next day it was halfway underwater, wasn't it? There's the moorhens enjoying it. Want a bit more lightning. I forgot to press the light at the front. Searchlight thing. Hey, the lights are coming on. Look at that blue thing over there. Yeah, they do, don't they? Yeah. I think, folks,
We've got a bit of blue sky.
we might be alright. There's some blue sky approaching. And it's coming this way. Oh well.
Yeah, we're running away from it, like.
Yeah, but when we turn, which way would you want to go?
We're on right.
We're going to head towards the blue sky, guys. It's only
Blue sky thinking.
it's only a quick trip. You want to say some words? You don't want a camera. No.
Sing the thunder song of Ted.
What's the thunder song? Laura's going to sing the thunder song.
How's it go?
I'm in the thunder. I'm getting electrocuted.
What's saying it? It's not very nice
yeah.
words.
You have to change them. Oh, yeah.
F.U. thunder.
Oh right.
Yeah.
You can set my
Sausage.
soy sausage.
On fire. We're coming through the tricky bit now. This is the tricky bit. Look at the flags. He copied over there, look. He's gone a bit peak-tongued.
Is it getting heavier?
I thought that. When I look back, look at the wake. Look at the wake. Oh no, you can't. You have to steer first. Hold on, let's get through this bit first. Carry on that course. It's going to thunder. We're getting into it now. This is where it gets exciting.
Yeah, remember last year when we were
This
out,
is where we get
pitch-
soaked.
So it was absolute, when you say it's pitch black last year.
Oh, it's pitch black, yes. What you've got to do, you've got to wear ponchos on your boat and you've got to wear hats. But my captain's hat's wet, so I have to be the crew captain. Or the crew, whatever. Look at the wake now, look at the wake. Some maze balls.
Change that to style of engine, go by the engine though. Just to save power.
Yeah, might be an idea.
Did that,
Hey? Yeah, but I've not...
not pumped yet.
No, I've not pumped up the jam. Let's get through here. I'm getting piss wet through.
Yeah.
Right folks, I'm going to get through this bridge and then once I get through the... We're getting chucked on here, aren't we?
Yeah.
Where are we actually going?
Good pump.
Good idea. We're off to the pub. Go to the first one.
Yeah, the closest
First one, because we don't want to be... Oh look over there guys! Hey you guys! Look! If you remember look over there! There's the back boat. Do you remember that, folks? If you've not seen the back boat before on my channel, don't forget to have a look at the back boat. Just type in Colscopters on YouTube search engine and then just type in back boat and you'll see all about it. Well, it lives here now permanently.
I want that. Can I have that umbrella? Please.
There.
Who's behind you? Who's
That's what they all say.
behind you?
Watch out for my thing, otherwise I'll be wet even further. Here it goes. Bad luck to open umbrellas in the house. Can't even open it. And we're sailing. Oh, have you seen the dragon boat?
Oh, that's cool.
Oh. Anyway.
No.
I'm getting half wet.
The driver of the boat gets the...
If you keep this one, which you don't really want to go, if you keep, here's a hint for you, the Enterprise will be going up for sale soon, so, you know, don't be shy, get your money out. So, the reason why, folks, is because I want to carry on doing some more great videos just for you at home. And if you want to own this beautiful vessel, well, you know, don't forget to email me with your right price. And then, because I need to get a bigger boat, you see, folks, so I can do more great videos just for you lot. Here we are, coming up to the bridge. Now these gates, if they shut these gates, you've had it, because that means you can't come home. Who's over there, do you remember? So here we are, and down there there's loads of boats sunk. Is there any going? No. Went down there, there's loads.
Can you get pumping the jam?
Pumping the jam?
The pumping the juice?
Oh yeah, anyway.
That was my feet.
Alright. But it's a bit scary. Right, I'm going to go, folks. Next video, I'll see you in a minute. Guys, we're at the pub, and she's looking great. It's thunder and lightning up there. Yeah, just in case. I always do. It only takes a second. But have you disconnected the Azzy pod?
Yeah.
Just in case we have burnout.
There's a lot about it.
Yeah, thunder and lightning up there. Anyway. Hey you guys, we're having a pint. I'm going to sneak up on the Jackster. What have you got there?
Coke.
For you?
Yeah.
Well, do you want to say something good on the camera?
Yeah. Your ass smells food.
Oh yeah.
Get my phone out then.
Okay guys, we're ready. We're ready for a mission. There you go. The mission is on. Automatic takeoff mode. Not got GPS lock. Balls. I'll stand back. I don't want to lose my bell ringers. Okay, this is it. Not into that. What can you see? Ooh.
Boat.
I can't grasp it.
You're facing us now. Direct facing us. Keep white at the front.
I've got the boat yet.
Yeah, boat's in shop. I'm videoing it. Oh, this is the precise moment. Good back.
Thundering.
No, it's not. It's a horse galloping away.
Sure.
Yeah.
Wow.
Keep going. Keep going up.
See if I hit the jail fence. Well, can you see the boat yet?
No, you keep going back.
Oh shit, he didn't like that. Go backwards that way. You see the boat yet? Wow, look at it. It's like blue.
Facing away.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna go pan backwards. Where's the boat now?
No, but you can see a fair bit of the canal.
You see the boat yet?
No. Let go, let go. Now you can.
That's mental.
Oh.
Wait.
go. Stop.
What does that say? You keep it yourself. Oh, to the jail fence.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Okay, we connected. Which one's the other one?
Going same.
30%.
No. That one. I don't know. I'll get out this tree because it's a bit scary being near that tree.
Yeah, 60%.
That's not your fence. Right. I'll fly now.
I'm at 100% now.
That's not jail fence, it's in settings. No, it's not jail fence.
You're looking on your controller?
No, it's in the settings, I've seen it. It's got all that, don't mess with all that when I'm in there. It'll say the settings.
I can't do it on mine.
You must be able to do it on mine. Yeah, that's right.
Why?
Crazy, isn't it?
Yes.
Your phone's gonna run out of space soon enough.
Yeah, no.
Turn a bit to the right as you go forward.
This way? What it does?
No. Fly down towards the bridge. Might have to go with it.
Why?
Which is the follow me mode. Point the camera up.
Is it up now?
No, that's down. Oh, that's cool. Point it back where you did, because it was pointing directly into the water, and you could see the drone on itself.
Really?
Yeah. See the base lights of it. Up a bit. A little bit.
Fuck.
He's stuck in the tree.
I can't see a thing, let's move forward. I knew this would happen. I can't see.
You're directly above there.
Yeah, no, but
What can you directly above the boat? Point your camera down. Feel the draft of it.
yeah. Is it down the camera?
Yeah.
You can't see a bloody thing.
Yeah, in the centre of the car. Point the camera above it.
That's your phone out of space.
Okay, just down to that bit.